Welcome everyone, I'm Josh Patterson, Director of AI Infrastructure at Nvidia, and welcome to SC18. So data science is ubiquitous. It's used in supercomputing, enterprise, academia. There's a lot of data science problems out there, and data is just continuing to grow every year. The problem is compute's not growing with it. And so now that we have GPU accelerated data science libraries, primitives, front-end user interfaces, now people can take their same existing code and accelerate it and get this 50x improvement and solve their problems that used to take days and minutes. And that's just really exciting and powerful. Rapids is a collection of libraries. It's built on top of CUDA, and then we use open source standards like Apache Arrow and other libraries to really bring together this collection of data science tools to make it very simple for users to take their existing workflows and accelerate them. And so for instance, we work with Dask from Anaconda and Numba for both our scheduling of our Python on CUDA, as well as doing JIT compilation for arbitrary Python code so it can run on the Nvidia hardware. In addition to that, we're working with many other universities and deep learning frameworks to have this seamless experience. So when people load in data, they can go all the way from a CSV directly into something like PyTorch, fully in GPU memory, without ever having to go back to the host. Rapids is really the first end-to-end data science library. It has a data frame library that allows people to do things like joins, group bys, merges. Plus, it brings in the core deep learning that Nvidia is known for with things like visualization, graph analytics, things like NVGraph that we've been developing for years. Machine learning, we're working with Nvidia and many other machine learning experts to build things like random forests and generalized linear models. We're working with the XGBoost community to further accelerate their gradient boosted decision tree library to make it distributed across nodes. And so this is really a full ecosystem. It's not just one library or one kernel. It brings a collection of libraries together so data scientists can do what they need to do in one place with the full flexibility and ease of use that they're known to expect and enjoy with common data science tools. Thank you for stopping by, and we hope to see you next year.